Come on, kids, clap and say, let's learn phonics the fun way. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for egg, egg. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. I is for ink, ink. J is for jam, jam. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for mango, mango. N is for nest, nest. O is for orange, orange. P is for pen, pen. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. X is for x-ray, kiss, x-rays. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, zebra. Clap your hands and shout hooray! We learned phonics today.